Actually, it is also referred as this Boise normal form. BCNF is also referred as 3.59F because it is some advanced version of 3NF. So that's why we call it as a 3.5 normal form. So the another name for this BCNF is 3.5 normal form. So what are the conditions to follow for BCNF? So the first, it is in third normal form, and next whereas in 3NF, the first it should be in 2NF. After that, there is no transitive dependency in 3NF. But here in BCNF, it is in first it should be in 3NF. Next, for every functionally dependency, that is X determines Y, means Y is functionally dependent on X. Here X should be super key of a table. So this is the main point you have to be remember that. So whereas in 3NF there is no transitive dependency, whereas in BCNF, for every functional dependency, that is X determines Y, means Y depends upon X, this X should be super key of a table. So you have to be checked whether the key attribute is a super key or not. Okay, so let me take an example for this BCNF. So this is a student table, student, course, and the teacher who teaches that course. Okay, so let me take this table. So here in this table, the fields for this are, let me take the fields. Suppose the Pinky is doing the course DBMS, and the teacher is Priya. And next, Lucky. So Lucky is also dealing with the course, studying the course DBMS, and the related teacher is, but here for Lucky, the another teacher, that is a Madhu, Deepu, COA, and who teaches Bhanu. Next, Banu, she also learning the course COA. The same teacher, sorry, here the teacher should be the same teacher. Let's take Bhanu and Jasvi, DBMS. So here only two courses are there, and the teachers are different. Teachers are teaching the different courses, the same courses. This courses are teaching different teachers. So here so much of redundant data is there, multiple data is there. So in this, the key attributes are, let me take this keys in this table is, let's take student and course, both are the keys. Student and course both are the keys. And the functionally dependency is the student course determines the teacher, because teacher is a non-key attribute. The non-key attribute is fully functionally dependent on the key attributes. So the functional dependency here is teacher is a non-key attribute and depends upon the student and course. So what is the problem here? So the problem here is teacher is not a super key. Okay, here the teacher is not super key but determines the course. Okay, so teacher is not a super key but determines the course. So now let's convert this table into BCNF. So let us see, after decomposing what is the BCNF tables. Let's take divided the table into two tables. Student and the course is one table, and here a course teacher is another table. So here our students are Pinky, Lucky, Deepu, Banu, and Jasvi. So these are the student names, and the related courses for those students is Pinky is doing DBMS, Lucky is also DBMS, COA, and DBMS. So this is one table. Now coming to the another table. So here the courses, or only the 2 courses are there, but in these 2 courses only for these 2 courses here a COA is teaching, both COA subjects are teaching only the Bhanu. So you just eliminate the redundant data and take only one value. Okay, here the DBMS is teaching for 2 kids, for 2 children. Madhu is teaching, so just take only one and eliminate the another. Just eliminate the redundant data. DBMS is teaching for 1 Priya, and for other students, for 2 students Madhu is teaching, and COA for 2 students Bhanu is teaching. So now this table is in BCNF. How can I say this table is in BCNF? Because here it is in 3NF. Why it is in 3? This is no transitive dependency. There is no transitive dependency here. A determines B, B determines C. Is here no transitive dependency. Only 2 attributes will be there here. Okay. And here for every functional dependency, this X determines Y. So X is a super key here. So this is a super key. And this is a super key in this table. So now this table is in BCNF. Okay. So this is about BCNF. Thank you.